guys, welcome to my YouTube channel after a long time. Today we are gonna unbox an Atomstack laser engraver. So this is Atomstack laser engraver. So this is Atomstack A20 V2. You can say lasers Atomstack A20 V2. So we're gonna open it. So it comes with a user manual. Wow. Atomstack A5 Pro V2. Okay. The manual seems to be good. We got the rod. X-axis, I guess this is. Okay. Atomstack. Oh no. There it comes with, I think this is Z-axis. There is a Z-axis, you can see it. Whoa. It comes with power cord, Type-C USB cable, and spectacles for laser protection, and gel, silica gel. Okay, here are some tools, I guess so, but not the tools. Let me put here first. Here is a controller, I guess so. Wow, here is the tools for Atomstack. This is a power cord. Okay, let me remove all the things first. This is Atomstack 22 watt laser. 20 watt laser, not 22. 20 watt laser. It hasn't been mentioned here. Here is maximum laser power 20 to 24 watt. Yes, like that. Something. I don't know what this is, but it obviously looks so good. And there is another thing that definitely looking good. So this is a tool and screw. Every pieces are well labeled with a state. You can see it. Every packet is being listed. Every screw is being listed. And I even got a pen drive. I think it has got firmware. So let's see that. So first of all, we're gonna assemble the frame as shown in here. We're gonna assemble this. So okay, step 1 done. Step 1 has been completed. You can look, I've assembled the frame. Now time to move to step 2. Now we'll attach the supporting beam. We got a 3 supporting beam. We gotta attach this here. So I'm gonna assemble this step 2 now. For this I need a step 2 screw. So these are so well labeled in the manual. that you can easily do it yourself. So step 2 also completed. So this is how it looks till the step 2. Frame has been attached, the supporting beam has been attached. Now trying for step 3. For step 3 we got a step 3 packet. It's so well labeled, and we need a controller. Now we're gonna assemble this Atomstack controller. Wow. This got a HDMI cable also, HDMI port also. It has got antenna also, USB drive and reset pin. We don't have a memory card slot. Oh no, we don't have a memory card slot. Okay. For error ACs also it has. Okay, good. For this now I'm gonna attach. Okay, done and dusted. Step number 3 also done and dusted. Now time for step 4. We'll be attaching x-axis. Okay, step 4 has been completed. You can look here. Step 4, we have a simple frame X and Y, and now it's time to do step number 5. We have got this rod. I will assemble this. Okay, step 5 has been done. So while putting this frame at a 45 angle, it should slide. Okay, let me try from here so that you can see. I will raise this to 45 angle so that it moves smoothly above. Okay, then it's done. So same for y-axis. Go, okay, I think this is more than 45. I don't know, but it's moving smoothly, so it's fine. So moving to step number 6, but here is 5, because at step number 5 we just put the rod. So this is step number 6, and 20-watt laser. Okay. Okay. So here is the most important part. A laser, 20-watt laser by Atomstack, designed by Atom Studio. Okay, we can remove this. This is a magnetic. Okay, now I will be attaching this over here at x-axis. Okay, I just had too much tongue slip. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, it's going so smoothly. Let me just put this down. Okay. For this now we'll put 2 screw. Okay, here's 2 screw place. Okay, step 6 also done. 6 has been completed. Now time for step 7. So we have to wire the things up. Every wire are well labeled. You can see it for X motor. And this is X motor and this is Y motor. We're gonna start with this limit switch over here at the bottom. Okay, done.